In the last tutorial, we learned how to create a new image in Photoshop. So now let's start and get started with how to open an existing image on your system on your Adobe Photoshop. So now let's dive in and see how do we work on an existing image on your system. In this tutorial today, we will learn how can we open an existing image. So I have this image which I just used, so I can just click here and open. I can also go on this menu, open, or the shortcut is Control plus O in Windows and Command plus O in Mac. I can also go to File and Open, and I'll have all the images which in my folder images which I have stored, and I can click on an image, hit on OK, and I will have this image to edit in Photoshop. So that's it for now. Today we learn how can we open an image. So just to reiterate, we go on File, we go on Open, or we have a shortcut Control O in Windows and Command O in Mac. Stay tuned for more tutorials.